Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's talk about iPhone. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our next generation of iPhone. This is iPhone 13.
iPhone 13 has a new look for the advanced dual camera system with the lenses arranged diagonally and really shows off 5 new colors: an all-new pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and product red. On the front, the TrueDepth camera system has been re-engineered to provide more display area. These antenna lines use upcycled plastic water bottles. This beautiful design is the same across 2 sizes, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. This new brighter Super Retina XDR display delivers an immersive viewing experience with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. And today, we're extending our lead with A15 Bionic.
With A15 Bionic, we have innovations across the entire system to deliver more performance and power efficiency. At its foundation, A15 uses 5-nanometer technology, which enables us to include nearly 15 billion transistors through demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently, thanks to a powerful new 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance and 4 high-efficiency core. It's the fastest CPU in any smartphone, up to 50% faster than the leading competition. A15 Bionic features our latest 4-core GPU. It delivers up to 30% faster graphics versus the leading competition.
A15 Bionic also powers the amazing camera system on iPhone 13. This is enabled by larger 1.7 micron pixels that capture more light and a wide f1.6 aperture. Sensor shift optical image stabilization. We are bringing this to iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. We've also custom designed a new ultra-wide camera, and iPhone 13 brings a brand new feature, cinematic mode.
You've seen rack focus used in all your favorite films. Well, we're bringing this capability to iPhone.
iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini have advanced new camera systems with sensor shift OIS, fantastic low-light performance, and cinematic mode, also on the front TrueDepth camera. By the end of the year, we will double 5G support to over 200 carriers in 60 countries and regions. On iPhone 13 mini, most users will experience an hour and a half longer in their day than with iPhone 12 mini. And on iPhone 13, 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12. MagSafe, which we introduced last fall and has been a hit. We also have a new MagSafe leather wallet that supports Find My. You can now be notified of the last known location where your wallet was separated from your iPhone. iPhone 13 still starts at just $699. And we're increasing the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes and adding a new 512 gigabyte option.
This is iPhone 13 Pro.
On the inside, it's been completely redesigned to support our latest Pro technologies, including the all-new camera system, incredible new display, and a bigger battery. iPhone 13 Pro also supports MagSafe, and it's joined by the larger iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, let's talk about performance and the powerful new A15 Bionic. And for these Pro models, A15 Bionic includes our most powerful graphics ever with a new 5-core GPU. And for the first time, we're bringing ProMotion to iPhone. The new Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion comes in 2 great sizes, 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch.
iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max introduce an all-new camera system, starting with a new 77mm telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a new ultra-wide camera with autofocus and a larger f1.8 aperture with a 92% improvement in low light, and a new wide camera that has a larger f1.5 aperture and 1.9 micron pixels for our largest sensor ever. The ultra-wide camera also enables something entirely new on iPhone: macro photography. And for the first time, all of the cameras, including the telephoto, have night mode.
We're also introducing a way to personalize your iPhone camera with photographic styles.
The new ultra-wide camera enables amazing macro slow-mo videos thanks to the new lens design. And the new 3x telephoto allows you to zoom even closer to the action and offers a great new focal length for video. This is really awesome when using our all-new cinematic mode, which uses machine learning and disparity to create a depth map that's built into the video. So you can change the depth effect, including the level of bokeh and where the focus is applied, even after the capture. We also have another Pro Video feature coming later this year, and that's ProRes Video. Next, let's talk about battery life. iPhone 13 Pro lasts more than 1.5 hours longer in your day than iPhone 12 Pro. And iPhone 13 Pro Max will last more than 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's iPhone 13 Pro with our most advanced technologies. An all-new camera system with 3 new cameras, ProRes Video, cinematic mode, the new Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, A15 Bionic with 5-core GPU. Even with all this incredible technology, iPhone 13 Pro still starts at $999, and iPhone 13 Pro Max still starts at $1099. And this year, we're introducing a new 1 terabyte storage option. The 1 terabyte joins our 128, 256, and 512 gigabyte storage options. So here's our new iPhone lineup, including iPhone 12, iPhone 11, and iPhone SE starting at just $399.
Thank you for joining us. Stay safe